To create and use templates in Outlook New, that is straightforward. Here I received an email and I want to set up a template so I can just reject whenever people ask me for sponsoring this YouTube channel, since I'm not doing that anymore. What I want to do to leverage a template is to click Reply, and then up in the message I can find the apps, go click that and choose My Templates. Then My Templates open. You might need to click Continue once. And here we have a few predefined templates. We're going to create our own. So I hit Template, and here I could say Reject Sponsorship. That will be the subject, and then I can fill in a body. That could be
a few moments later.
And I even inserted emojis in the end. So if I'm happy with this, I can hit Save. To use a template in an email, and let us just say you came here another day, let me discard this to draft here. That is, I want to use the template to this email. Then I just hit Reply. I again go up to Apps, My Templates, and now you will see it appear here. You can just click it, and that will insert it in the email. But now, let's say that I want it a bit more fancy. I want to format this email, so I just don't want standard text. I might even want to include an image each time I send an email. Well, then this is not really good. Let me just copy the text so we don't have to write it again, and we can close My Templates. Then you want to go to Home, say New Email. What we will do here is to insert it in here, and let's just say down below the email we will insert an image. So I click Insert, Pictures, and here I have a hand image that I want to insert. I also want to emphasize that they should have a great day, so I mark great and format this. This would not be possible to My Templates, and I can also add a subject that's saying thanks a lot for the opportunity, like this. But what you want to do instead to use this as a template, that is, you want to click Save Draft up here. We might have one more because we did it just before where we save it to a draft. Then you want to be sure that it's the correct one. That was this one where we inserted the hand. Here you want to right click and you want to pick Save As. Then you can see thanks a lot for the opportunity.eml. EML is an email message format. We can place this so-called template wherever we want. I just place it on a desktop for now, but feel free to place it in your OneDrive, for example. Let's call this one Reject Sponsorship, because this could also be a sales reach out, whatever you want. Keep in mind, this is just an example. In fact, I just sent this email to myself. But it is true, I don't do sponsorship. So please, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. That will really help me and my channel. Then I can hit Save. Now I have saved the template. I can delete the drafts if I want to do that. In order to make use of the so-called template, I now have it here on my desktop. I can double click to open it. Then it asks which program I want to open with. I choose Outlook New and can choose to say always open EML files with Outlook New. I say like this, and then you'll see I have it here. I can choose to, if I want to edit it further, then I just say resend message. And up here you can see I can say hi, and then if it was Jonathan, then I can just put in Jonathan, and then I can go up to and then fill in email that could be anders@andersjensen.org if that was the person I wanted to send to. In case you want more Outlook, then I created this full guide on how to automate Outlook emails.